Hello guys, welcome to Happy Steamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a file smaller for Discord. So guys, at first go to your browser. Now tap on the search bar and search video compressor. Now open any website from here. So I am opening this one. Tap on compress videos. Tap on upload a file. Now select the file that you want to compress. And then just tap on compress video. After completing, you have to download the file from here, and after that you will be able to send or share this file on your Discord. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.